Namaste. Welcome to Reiki Nidra Guided Deep Relaxation. This is Rajat. I will help you to get rid of overthinking. To receive this Reiki healing energy, lie down on your back in a quiet environment on a comfortable surface. Both your arms and legs will be straight in a comfortable position. Feel this sacred divine Reiki energy given by God with faith from your heart. Please close your eyes and let us begin the Reiki session. Take 3 deep breaths. Inhale slowly through your nose, then exhale slowly through your mouth, and focus on the sensations in your body. First breath. Second breath. Third breath. Connect with the universe's energy and embrace the transformative power of the chakra system to free yourself from the shackles of overthinking and thrive in the present moment. Now keep breathing normally. Your whole body is relaxing. By focusing your attention on the reason that cause overthinking, it can be your work, your relationship with someone, success-related thoughts, something that someone might have said to you, or anything else bothering you. Take a deep breath, and now that you have acknowledged the causes of overthinking, allow them to leave your mind at the moment as you exhale, and allow your mind to calm down, for you are more powerful than any negativity that may surround you. Divine Reiki energy is entering the place around you from the universe. Your place where you are at the moment, with my pure positive feeling, my pure intention, cleansing your space, cleansing your aura from overthinking related issues, taking out all the negative energy associated with it and sending it to the universe. You can feel the divine power of Reiki energy in your aura. Divine Reiki energy is flowing from your crown chakra through your head to your whole body. You can feel these high vibrations of divine Reiki energy. This divine Reiki energy is flowing smoothly throughout your body, cleansing and balancing all the chakras surrounding and filling you with pure energy. All the negative energy associated with overthinking is being released in the form of smoke from all the chakras in your body, through the soles of your feet, going out from your aura, out into the universe. You feel light all over your body. Your mind is getting calm. Your breathing is deep and relaxing. Focus your attention on the root chakra, located at the base of the spine. Radiant bright red divine light from the universe, Reiki energy, is flowing smoothly through your crown chakra, cleansing and balancing the energy of all the chakras and is being stored in the root chakra. You feel grounded and secure. Focus your attention on your sacral plexus chakra below the navel. Brilliant bright orange divine light from the universe, Reiki energy flowing smoothly through your crown chakra, filling all the chakras with divine energy, balancing and is being stored in your sacral plexus chakra. If you have any kind of lack of focus, loneliness, emotional instability, problems with intimacy, anxiety, or any such negative blocked energy, it is going out into the universe from your sacral plexus chakra, out of all the lower abdominal organs, out from the soles of the feet, out from your aura. Divine Reiki energy is flowing smoothly from your sacral plexus chakra to all lower abdominal organs, cleansing and balancing the body's energy and is being stored. You are feeling lightness in all the veins, blood vessels, muscles, organs in your abdomen. Your mind is getting calm. Your whole body is relaxing. Focus your attention on your solar plexus chakra, located under your ribs above navel. Radiant bright yellow divine light from the universe, Reiki energy flowing smoothly through your crown chakra, filling all the chakras with divine energy, balancing and is being stored in your solar plexus chakra. If you have any kind of fear, phobia, anxiety, digestive disorder, feeling overwhelmed, sleeplessness, fatigue, excessive sweating, shortness of breath, negative energy associated with all of this, blocked energy is going out into the universe from your solar plexus chakra, out of all the abdominal organs, out from the soles of the feet, out from the aura. Divine Reiki energy is flowing smoothly from your solar plexus chakra to all abdominal organs, cleansing and balancing the body's energy and is being stored. You are feeling lightness in all the veins, blood vessels, muscles, organs in your abdomen. Your mind is getting calm. Your whole body is building inner strength. Focus your attention on the third eye chakra. Radiant indigo divine light from the universe, Reiki energy is flowing smoothly from your crown chakra to the third eye chakra, cleansing and balancing the brain energy of both the chakras and getting stored in the third eye chakra. You are feeling the divine power of Reiki energy in your head and forehead. Bright white divine light Reiki energy from the universe flowing smoothly through the crown chakra, from your brain stem to the prefrontal cortex, brain, midbrain. Blocked energy associated with negative thoughts through the central nervous system, out of the body through the soles of the feet in the form of smoke and sending it out into the universe. All the subtle nerves, blood vessels, muscles, bones of the head, forehead, face associated with the third eye chakra are calming down. Your mind is calming down. You are relaxed and peaceful. You are getting clarity of thought about your cause of overthinking. You are getting clarity to deal with overcome your stresses. Divine Reiki energy is flowing lovingly into the mind, filling and balancing it with divine energy. You are feeling the Reiki energy on your scalp like sensations of high vibrations and tingling. Bright white divine light from the universe flowing smoothly through your crown chakra into the mind, body, spirit, aura, and divine Reiki energy is being stored in a balanced manner. All the nerves, blood vessels, muscles, bones of your whole body are becoming calm. Your whole body is relaxing, and you are developing mental strength to deal with any situation better. Focus your attention on my voice. Slowly reawaken your mind and body, becoming alert and awake while remaining relaxed and calm. Feel the whole body with your mind. Feel the movement of the fingers of both your feet and hands. This is Rajat, Dr. Usui Reiki Healer. Wish you a speedy recovery. I express my heartfelt gratitude to the divine Reiki energy, to the universe, for having you here. When you are fully alert, you can resume your usual activities with the feeling of great mental strength, calm, and being refreshed. Namaste.